where VMAS 2023 is streaming. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you where you can watch VMAS 2023 live streaming. So as you know that the MTV Video Music Awards takes place on Tuesday, September 12, honoring the best in the music video medium. And the official ceremony is scheduled to air live from the Prudential Center from New Jersey, which will start at around 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So as usual, the VMAS will be live streaming on the MTV channels. It will also be broadcast on CMT and the Comedy Central, Logo, BET, BET Her, MTV2, VH First, Nickelodeon and Paramount Network. Those without cable television can still catch the full show on MTV website. For those outside of the USA, you will be able to access the live stream via VPN. So who all be performing? Returning to the VMA host for the second year in the row is Nicki Minaj, who will also be performing, and there are other artists as well who are performing in celebration of 50th anniversary of hip hop and the DMC. And there are several nominees for the award. Taylor Swift lead this year's nominee with 8 nods, followed closely by Kill Bill singer SZA and other artists as well. So this is where the VMAS 2023 will be streaming. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.